It is a little known fact that copper screws are the simplest type of motor, called a linear actuator. While conventional electric motors produce circular motion, a linear actuator creates motion in a straight line. As the head of the screw is twisted around in a circle, the tip of the screw is driven forward along its axis. The shaft of a screw has a single helical ridge, called a thread, wrapped around the cylinder. These threads cut a helical groove when driven into a softer material. Some screws are designed to fit inside a complementary helix, the internal thread, such as in a nut. Screws are commonly used to hold things together and to fix them into position. One use for a copper linear actuator is as a contact screw in a tattoo machine. This is another little known fact. They are easily made in a home workshop because the metal is quite soft. The only tools you need are a die with the desired internal thread, a set of pliers, fine sandpaper available from hobby shops, and a small amount of gun bluing solution. When used on iron or steel, the bluing agent confers a small element of protection against corrosion or rust. In this case, it just makes the tattoo screw look pretty. Copper chemical symbol, Cu, has the atomic number 29. It has a high electrical and thermal conductivity. That is why it is used in wires and on the bottom of kitchen pans. It is soft and very malleable, which means it is easy to work with. That is why Cu is easy to form into a contact screw for use in a tattoo machine. In Roman times, Cu was mainly obtained from Cyprus, hence it was called cyprium. Cyprium was eventually contracted to the word cuprum, which led to the chemical symbol, Cu. In the human body, it is necessary in small amounts. It sits in its cationic form, in an enzyme called cytochrome. In mollusks and crustaceans, it forms part of the respiratory pigment, hemocyanin, which is blue. Humans use the iron-based pigment, hemoglobin. In people, cuprum is mainly located in the liver, muscles and in bone. Because of its bactericidal germ-killing action, it is used as a wood preservative and as a fungicide. It is also used as a lining for laboratory incubators that are used for cell and tissue culture. When would you use a copper screw apart from in a tattoo machine? They are good for use in wood, especially if there is potential for corrosion. This pretty red metal does not rust as easily as iron or steel. Cu may also be used as a coating for a steel screw. Hair brass, zinc, nickel or cadmium may also be used. So copper screws are interesting little motorific devices. The native metal kills germs and looks pretty. They are rather soft, so you need to be careful where you use them. You would not want to use them to hold a commercial airliner together, for instance.